Hello everyone, I am Dr. Samana Nadik. Hormones are very important to maintain the texture of the hair. So, yes, dryness can be caused due to hormonal imbalances. Certain hormonal imbalances, like thyroid hormone imbalances, be it hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism, can lead to dryness, thinning of hair, and rough hair. Along with that, in men, androgen imbalance like DTH being increased or imbalance in that leads to roughness and dryness in hair. And in females, PCOD, PCOS can disturb the estrogens, progesterone, LSH and FH hormones, leading to dryness, thinning, and falling of hair as well. So, with this, environmental factors can also lead a prominent role in the dry skin. Exposure to pollution, exposure to UV rays can decrease the moisture of the scalp, leading to dryness. And repeated use of shampoos can cause dryness. And other health conditions or any medicines that you are undertaking can also cause hair dryness. So, majorly, hormonal imbalance do cause hair dryness, and this hair dryness can continue and lead to hair fall as well. Yes, hard water and frequent shampooing does cause hair dryness because the hard water contain excess of minerals like calcium and all those stuffs which can get deposited in the hair shaft and decrease the moisture content in the hair, leading to dryness in the hair. And also hard water can get deposited on your scalp, removing the natural oil. So in the scalp as well, we have oil secreting cells called sebaceous glands which secrete sebum or oil which moisturizes the hair. When these hard water or minerals are deposited on the scalp, it causes dryness by stripping away the natural oil. The same happens when you use frequent shampooing. When you frequently shampoo, the oil production which is happening is removed very frequently and leaves the scalp dry. And if there are any other conditions, it gets triggered by repeated shampooing, and the chemicals present in the shampoo may alter the pH of the scalp, leading to dryness of the hair. So, dryness of the hair can be cured if it is related to hormonal imbalances. So, as I mentioned earlier, there are certain health conditions which can cause dryness of the hair. If there is thyroid, if it is abnormal levels of androgens, if it is PCOD or PCOS, these illnesses can be treated, and particular medicines, depending on their constitution, depending on their symptoms, depending on what all conditions they are exposed to, depending on that, medicines can be prescribed and the dryness can be cured by giving internal medications. The dryness is happening because of using frequent shampooing or hard water. That is something a maintenance cause. Unless and until the maintaining cause is removed, the medicines cannot help. There can also be dryness if you are using heating products like curling products or straightening products very frequently. That can also make your hair dry. So, giving medications at certain conditions, certain situations might not completely cure the dry hair, but giving a gap using these products can help in, and administrating medicines during this situation can help in reducing the frequency of it. But when you're using such harsh chemicals or procedures, only through medicines you cannot achieve the cure. Yeah, coming to specific remedies in homeopathy, there's no specific remedies as such because homeopathy is holistic in approach. We try to understand your mind and body. Every disease has its origin from mind and as well as the body. So we need to understand a person completely, and thus homeopathy is called an individualistic approach. Only when we give importance to both and come into one remedy, the cure can be achieved. So specifics, even if you take or even if you consider, it can be a temporary cure. If you want a permanent results through homeopathy, it is only through constitutional approach which constitutes you as a whole, which gives importance to your mind and body, and then the medicines prescribed by this process can help you get rid of the issues from the root. So we do have medicines to treat when there is after effects due to coloring or hair dyeing. And as I mentioned earlier, these are the maintaining factors. Unless and until you stop using it, there's no permanent solution for it. So if you have used once, you have got chemical coloring or hair dyeing done or hair straightening done, and post that you have hair dryness or hair fall, hair Some people come up with baldness as well after all these treatments. So we do have after effects treatments. Homeopathic medicines can stimulate hair growth, hair regrowth. But if you're again following this maintaining course, if you're again and again getting treated your hair with chemicals, colors, that can again repeat. So unless and until the maintaining cause is stopped, there's no permanent cure. Medicines can help you overcome that, but only medicines cannot cure when you're using such products.